what we're going to talk about is my leg, and sounds very ominous. Not so long ago, January, we are now in the middle of February of 2019. The issue I had was I had 2 broken metatarsals. I went to hospital. Broke them 2 days ago. Sadly, I had 20 big 8-foot by 4-foot sheets fall on me and fall literally right down my legs, and then trapped my foot under the rest of them. I was really annoyed because you know how expensive these sheets can be. You know, it's about £20 for an 18mm piece of MDF. Anyway, that dropped on my foot, and now I'm a bit incapacitated for 6 weeks. And most people are saying that, keep it between yourselves, but most people are saying that I'll do anything to get out of work. Now I can tell you, just you and me, between you and me, I haven't played on a PlayStation for months, and you know, it's given me a little bit of a break, really. You know, pardon the pun. What I was going to say is, because I've broken my foot, I don't know whether you want to have a look, but I've got shorts on at the moment, and my God, it is painful. I have to say, it's really, really painful. Got to get this gimbal working. But that, I don't know whether you can see where it all scraped down my leg. But anyway, that and this, that is the result of 20 sheets of MDF and oak veneered material sliding down your legs while you're trying to get out of the way, and then the other leg, of course, that one there, and then finally resting on my foot right there. I ended up having to go to the hospital the next day. I was in agony, and just to recap on from the last video, that obviously everything's healed now. I can walk about, and I do realise that I haven't actually done a video for what, 6 weeks, which is quite unusual for me. So here's my next video of part 2 of Scotland. What an incredible lock. I mean, the cloud behind me, look, you can see that, it's really low. I kind of feel that we're quite high up. Yeah, you can see it from sea level. But this is a very pretty part of the country. are in the camper van yet again. We are waiting for Richard and Tracy to arrive in their monster van. This year's photography has been a bit limited. I mean, the rain, it's been persistent rain every single day, other than yesterday, which was a very just a really moody day. But the moody day, you know, came with some good shots actually. Hello guys.
Hello guys.
Guys, girls.
Hello. I made it.
You made it. Richard went on a detour. I said, meet us up Glencoe Lane where the deers are. Okay, Ian.
I got really well as well. I think that's my eyesight actually. I mistook the 85 for the 82 for an 85 and I went down the 85.
Yeah, two side teeth gone.
When I started halfway down, I thought this looks familiar to me.
Yeah.
So I thought, well, I'll check my phone.
Yeah.
And my phone said, yeah, wrong, completely on the wrong side, where you want me.
Right.
So I thought, fuck.
Is that 40 miles later, or?
So I had to find the postcode for the ski resort.
Yes.
I put that in and I thought, well, once I'm there, I know where I am.
Yes. So how many miles away was that?
40.
How many?
40. My age.
I'm messing.
You'll get slapped.
Oh, I like this. That's really nice.
What is it?
Miley.
Oh yeah.
Can who is this?
Miley Cyrus.
Who? Oh, yeah.
I was singing this today actually when I was writing.
Anyway, you're all here now.
Yeah.
And this is your big bus here, isn't it?
I think
That you've hired for the week.
The big passion.
Look at the big bus, big bus.
Oh,
Look.
mate, that big.
Lovely, isn't it? Lovely old job.
Got the disco lights in.
Huh? It's Morrison's open still.
I'm gonna get lost again.
You will. Can I just say, Morrison's for Richard is a 40-mile round trip.
Better off playing 3 cards, it's easier.
Is it?
I'll tell you what, it's better off having a drink right now and just chillaxing and just seeing it all in, really seeing 2019 in.
Well, you mumbling about
Talking to the camera. I'm not talking to you, am I? Got a
Happy
camera
New
here.
Year.
Shut your fat face.
Cheers, big ears.
Cheers, rubber nose.
That's the way it goes, big nose. Good night. Good night. She's had hers.
What are you drinking, Amanda?
Last bit of Jamie.
It was the last bit, is it?
Nice and neat.
Yep.
Lovely.
Best way
Girl.
to eat.
Right, guys, we're off. Thank you very much for watching.
Ciao.
And
Bye, see you in the
with
new
any
year.
luck, we'll get some photos on New Year's Day,
Yeah,
hopefully.
You have to play it. There he is.